Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to search Telegram groups full guide. Start by opening the app and tapping the search bar at the top, then type a clear keyword or hashtag related to your topic. Try variations and synonyms to widen results and check both channel and group tabs. Combine keywords with quotes for exact matches and use language filters if available. Save useful groups and pin top results so you can access them quickly later. When basic searches return too many results, try advanced tactics to find the best groups. Use quotes for exact phrases and prefix usernames with @ to locate admins and their groups. Add region or niche words to keywords and check group descriptions for token or hashtag patterns that indicate activity level. If available, filter by media type to find groups sharing files or links more often. Finding a group is only half the task. Joining safely matters too. Read pinned rules and introductions to understand acceptable behavior and posting frequency. Limit personal details in your profile and consider a dedicated username for public groups. Observe conversations for a while to gauge relevance and moderation standards, and leave groups that share illegal content or toxic behavior to protect your digital safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.